情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在让我们来收听精彩的客家音乐创作。
Yo, what's up? It's time for another Hakka song on ICRT. Here comes hip-hop artist Sunday with a song called Crazy Fan. And that's exactly what this song is all about a crush that you have, the person that you want to be with. You always wonder about what their favorite food is, what they like to drink, and the more you wonder, the more obsessed you become, kind of like a crazy fan. And then you start to idolize them behind those rose-colored glasses, and your crush can do no wrong. This song by Sunday describes this type of young puppy love. So let's take a listen to Crazy Fan. 这是圣代的一首 Crazy Fan， 并不是在描述他的粉丝而是说我们常常会一直想心仪的对象喜欢吃什么喝什么，然后呢越想呢就陷得越深，自己呢就像一个疯狂小粉丝一样，把喜欢的他呢当作偶像，然后呢带上了这个所谓的粉丝滤镜对方的一举一动呢总是美好的。客家 Rapper 圣代所创造的这首 Crazy Fan 就是描述这种又疯狂又甜蜜的青春爱恋啊。Hope you enjoyed this song Crazy Fan by Sunday. It is pretty cool. I am Joseph Lim. Thank you for listening to another Hakka song on ICRT. We will see you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.